Okay, so this is the cards that I said I was gonna put up for trade. Um, Zenmaister or whatever you want to call it. See, the corners is not messed up. Like, the corners is not messed up. It's in perfect condition still, no scratches. Corners is still, all the corners is still good. Um, Next is the Thomas scrap. See, as you can see, the corners is all good. Limited edition still good. No corners messed up with Thomas scrap. Um, and this is atomic scrap, the other one, but in holographic or super rare, whatever you want to call it. Again, corners is still good, no scratches. Corners is good. Okay, so that was not. These are the three cards. Atomic scrap dragon. That.